off me! Get off! Get off!
I'm gonna get in this pocket.
Stop my shoulder pop! My shoulder pop, please! Stop my shoulder pop! You're gonna catch another charge! You're gonna catch another charge!
On May 9th, 2025, officers in Joliet, Illinois, responded to a disturbance at a Motel 6 after receiving reports that a woman was refusing to leave the property. Officers found a 33-year-old woman who insisted she had left personal belongings inside a room. Even though staff said her items had already been returned, she became agitated and declined to leave. As police tried to take her into custody, she resisted and scratched an officer before being handcuffed. While handcuffed, she allegedly kicked one officer and spat on another during the encounter.
Okay. You have belongings here?
I have belongings here.
In what room?
Let me get them so I can leave.
Okay, in what room?
Huh?
In what room?
I was in room 239. The girl left. She left my stuff in there. I went back up there to try to grab it, and nothing is there.
In 239?
Yes. I have a Juice Couture wallet, everything, and they're never letting me get it.
Okay, let me talk to him real quick. Step to the side.
Where am I?
Step to the side.
Can you put me on that reckless on
Talk to him. It's not a wallet. Back up. Back up. So it's not a wallet. So
It's a pouch.
it's just makeup. What he has right there is makeup. That's all he got from it. Over
It's a
there.
pouch, and that was in my bag.
I understand, but all she has is makeup. So this not whatever else in that room is not there no more. That's what he's saying. All he has is that stuff. So you're gonna have to figure out something else. What was in that room previously, but your stuff's not in there, so you're gonna have to leave.
I'm going in every single car and what's in it.
No, you're not. Because hey, come here real quick, ma'am. They don't want you on the property, so you gotta leave,
Okay, well, I need my stuff.
ma'am. Come here real quick.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Hey, go ahead.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
I'm right here. I'm gonna check it out real quick.
Don't
first
touch
and
me.
go
Stop.
back to the Walgreens.
Don't touch me.
You can't be on the property.
Don't
Stop. You're gonna get arrested. Stop.
10-4, I'm 23.
Let go of me.
Stop.
So you want to show me a route?
Yeah.
Put your hands on your
Let go.
23 from 20.
Wait, if I show me the thing.
My car is over here.
Stop.
I'm going to my vehicle.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
25, 1 detained at 2031.
Stop.
Charles 2. Do that.
Stop.
Let
25,
go of
1
me.
detained at 1850.
Relax. You can't be on the property. Are you gonna leave? Are you gonna leave?
Once I get my car, yes.
Okay. Sit down. I'm gonna issue a ticket for criminal trespassing now.
Get me my
Stop.
car.
Where's your car at?
Right there.
Okay. Well, you can't leave now. Stop taking the cuffs. Stop. 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 Stop.
Let go of me.
Stop.
I'm trying to call my mom to come get
You're
me.
going to the car now. Go to my squad. You're gonna get a ticket. And you're
No,
gonna
I'm
go.
not.
Hey, you are.
30, I think I got one of them by the
Come on.
Xfinity store over here.
I need to get my stuff.
And you're getting a ticket because you refuse to leave.
Yeah,
Like I told you verbally that you gotta leave.
I'm telling you, I'm leaving once I get my stuff.
What's your ID? What's your ID?
What do you need
My
me
ID
to do?
is in my wallet.
You need me to hold something? What do you need me to do?
What's your name?
My ID is in my
What
wallet.
is your name? You don't tell me your name, you're gonna go right down station. Tell me what your name is.
Sure, it's not gonna. Please go get my ID out of my license, out of my car.
Your ID's in your car.
Yes.
You have your keys. May I take the keys so I get your wallet?
If I could get to him.
May I go in your pocket? How do you spell your name?
Gulema.
Where are your keys? I can just. They're not on you?
He has. Don't grab my arm.
Stop moving around.
Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm. Give me my
I'm
phone.
not getting nothing.
Stop. How do you spell your last name? This is you're making it more difficult than it has to be. Stop trying to take the cuffs off.
The cuffs are coming off because I'm getting my phone.
No, they're not. Stop.
Let go!
Stop. Let me double up.
Let go of me!
She has a needle in her left pocket. Just sends her.
Let go of
What are you
me!
doing? Stop.
Yeah, I'm
I'm gonna have you step back.
Because I'm trying to get my stuff out of my car.
Is there a
Let
left
go of me!
Can you stop? What are you doing?
Let go
Ma'am,
of
you're
me.
making this
Get
more
off of
difficult.
me! Get off me!
Stop.
Get off me!
25 UTO.
Get off me!
Stop. Okay.
Stop it.
You're not doing that.
Get off!
Go to the back and get a spinner.
Get off! Get off!
Yeah, I got one.
Do you want me to run?
I know where mine's at.
No.
You good?
Get
Now
off!
you're going to jail now.
Ugh.
Stop.
21 for
21 for advance.
Get off me!
21 Q to 9.
195 for
195 for advance.
Get off!
Number 1 for Aggravated. The PO is 2035. Charles 2, Lincoln on 2. Charles 2, 10 4.
Right next to the bridge. She on her way.
Stop.
Okay, she needs to come on. Get off me!
You're not be spitting at all.
Get off me! Get off!
Stop. Don't even try to do that.
Or maybe a camp could
F2, go ahead. 52.
Get off me!
95 is,
Stop.
Get off me! Get off me! Get off of me!
You just want to bring your
Just want to bring his phone over here.
I need her to hurry up. I need them off of me. I can't feel my wrist. I need them off of me.
Relax. Relax. Relax your
I need them off of me. I cannot feel my arms. I need them off.
Charles 1.
Get off.
Stop.
Charles 1.
Get off of me. Get off. I can't feel the circulation in my arm. Move.
You gotta go over there.
I cannot feel my arm. Move. Move.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off.
Stop.
Me. Get off. Get off.
Did you know where her spitter's at?
Get off.
I'm good.
9138 Joliet.
Get off of me.
Yeah, 31 package.
Get off. Get off.
I'm gonna get in this pocket.
Stop my shoulder pop. My shoulder pop, please. Stop my shoulder pop. My shoulder pop.
Stop moving.
My
Stop
shoulder
moving.
pop.
29.
Let go of me.
32.
Let
We
go.
could walk her to the squad.
We could throw her in there. Did you just get her needle out?
Get off.
What? McClellan already took it.
Get off of me. Get off.
I didn't hear that.
Get off. Get off.
Stop. Back.
Lincoln on
Get off. There's my stuff on the floor.
We'll get it. Just get inside the squad.
No.
Just make sure they copy that tag 2 is requesting 52. Tag 2 is requesting 52.
Sit inside. What are you
No.
doing? Sit inside.
No. No.
Stop.
Sector 21%.
Get off
Here,
me.
unbuckle this.
Yeah.
No, you're good. You're good.
Can you use
Get
there?
off.
Stop.
Get off off, you pieces of shit! No!
Stop.
Sector 21.
Get off me!
Unbuckle this.
Yeah.
No, you're good.
Can I use there?
Get off!
Stop.
Get off, you pieces of shit! Get off!
Stop trying to take them off.
Let go of me! Away from me!
Stop or you're gonna get more charges. Stop kicking. You're gonna catch more charges.
You!
Fucking no. Stop kicking. You're under arrest.
You! You and you stupid fucking pricks! Joke's on you. Ain't the first time I've been in handcuffs. Oh, just wait. Oh, just wait.
Stop that or you're gonna catch more charges.
How
Right
them
now.
charges? Them charges.
Stop that or you're gonna catch.
You're gonna catch another charge. You're gonna catch another charge. Another fucking charge. Another fucking charge. Another charge.
What are you doing? You're acting like a child.
I don't give a fuck.
Sit down. Shut up.
You shut up.
Look at you. Look what you're doing.
You shut up.
It's embarrassing.
Shut up.
You're 8. How old are you?
Shut up. Shut up.
I'm 12 years old.
Shut up.
The woman was arrested and given a notice to appear in Will County Court on multiple charges, including aggravated battery on a police officer, criminal trespass, and obstruction of a peace officer. Bond or bail details were not mentioned in the report, and she remains subject to the court proceedings. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.